How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we'll talk about the next big update coming to Samsung Galaxy smartphones, and that is the One UI 6.1. Earlier it was expected that it would bring some minor changes, but we have our first look at the software and it seems to be quite a significant update which will bring a lot of amazing new features to your Samsung phone. As you guys know that the upcoming Galaxy S24 series will come with One UI 6.1 out of the box, and then Samsung will slowly push out the update to all other Galaxy devices. So if your Samsung phone is already running on One UI 6, then most probably you will get the One UI 6.1 update from Samsung, and it will bring some exciting new features related to AI. My favorite feature has to be the AI Wallpaper Generator that allow users to generate wallpapers from scratch using AI. All you have to do is just enter the subject and the background name. AI will then generate the wallpaper based on what you have selected. This exact feature is already present on my Pixel 8 Pro, and I'm really glad that Samsung decided to bring this amazing feature on Galaxy smartphones. Another cool customization feature that we are getting in One UI 6.1 is now you can add weather and portrait effects to the lock screen wallpaper. So you can add different effects like sunny, cloudy, rainy and snowy depending on how is the current weather outside. One UI 6.1 also has a feature called voice focus, and as the name suggests, it isolates your voice by eliminating background noises during calls to provide a clear and hassle-free calling experience. Next, Samsung has added a new battery protection setting in One UI 6.1, and there are 3 new battery protection options that will help you to expand the lifespan of your phone's battery. First, we have got the basic protection that stops the battery charging process at 100% and resumes when your battery goes down to 95. There is also an adaptive mode that pauses charging at 85% and resumes just before you wake up. And finally, we have the aggressive charging mode that stops your phone's charging at 80% to improve the lifespan of the battery. Additionally, AI is planned to help you out with calls, and we might have a live translation feature that enables one to translate call in real time if the conversation happens to be in regional languages. This feature can be super helpful, and you will get this option right below the text call button. Even the photo editing has gotten more powerful in One UI 6.1. First, you can realign and expand pictures to give more context surrounding the subject, and there is a feature that lets you to move a subject from one image to the other by just pressing and holding on it. These features are already present on Pixel phones, and I'm really happy that Samsung is bringing all these powerful features to Galaxy smartphones. Now, apart from all these amazing features, we may also see some major improvements in terms of animations and smoothness. So One UI 6.1 is gonna be a massive update for Samsung users, and hopefully after the launch of S24 series, Samsung may slowly roll out this huge update to all other Galaxy smartphones. Once I get this major update on my S23 Ultra, I'll make a separate video where I'll show you all these exciting features, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.